Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Han. In this video, I want to be sharing with you how to paint camellia flowers in watercolor. Here is a reference photo. The flower color is bright and cheerful. Let's paint with cheer up feelings. I'm going to use these colors yellow, red, blue. Especially I will use white for highlight spots. Brushes. This is Caligraph Brush and Davinci and Zen Art brush. This is good quality for the price. I will link it in the description box below. First, start by sketching with a 4B pencil. Draw an oval and finding the center of the flower and drawing it radially. Draw each petal one by one, pistil and stamen too. And the stem will start here. Remember the center of the flower. And buzz here, another buzz. And I will place here. We also need a few leaves, biggest one here, and small leaves here and there. And next, let's make for the flowers some light and shade simply. Still, I'm using 4B pencil. Okay, let's jump into coloring. Start by wetting paper and leave the dry area of the paper for some highlight between petals, pistil, and stamen. When you think the paper is wet enough, take a watery red and put on petals. And put and start the tip of the brush on the center. Because around the pistil are darkest area. Remember it needs to save some pistil and stamen area. Draw each petal one by one gently. Now I'm using the mixture of red and pyrrole rubin color. You can use crimson red instead. I'm using the tip of the brush and needed to save some pistil and stamen area and also save the negative space on the petals. It will be the highlight area. Next, take a thick and dark red color. Draw between petal area. And draw some lines on the petals. I'm using the tip of the brush. Take some thick and dark red color, put on the edge the petal area, and draw some line. This paper is still wet, so color spread, blend and spread out easily on the paper. It looks smooth and soft. Next, small buzz here. We are going to be painting same color and same step as the first flower which we painted. First, paint with little bit watery red and take some thick color, put on the first layer. Take some green, put on the leaf area. We can get the green, yellow mix blue. Now I'm mixing blue, yellow and red color. It looks sort of brown. Draw leaf with this color, start a big stroke and define the leaf shape with small layers. Leave a negative space for highlight area on the big leaf. This is the small bust. Take some very watery red color, put on there and take some thick red, put on first layer. For this leaf, I take some very dark and thick color. This stem is I'm using the mixture of the yellow, red and blue color. It's kind of the brown color. I need yellow more for the pastel. Take a light blue, put on the lower pastel area. Switch to tiny Zen Art brush and draw pastel and stemman in detail area. I thought this painting finished, but then I wanna take some colors from a pastel and stemman area. So I'm using oil brush and paper towel and clean water. And next, and white I'm going to use for highlight pastels. Take a lot of white, put on the pastels with dots. Now I'm using white watercolor, but you may use white acrylic if you have it. Okay, we are all done. I really enjoyed this painting. I hope you had a good time as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.